GUC in a minute. The GUC hosted the global strategy consulting firm Simon-Kucher Partners last week on campus to host a 2-day consultancy boot camp for GUC management students. Attendees had the chance to understand more about different topics such as internationalization and go-to-market, monetizing, innovation, digital strategy, and value proposition. The GUC Faculty of Pharmacy and Biotechnology announced the start of a 2-day Chemistry in 3D workshop starting February 15, 2022. The workshop will give students the chance to construct 3D models for different classes of organic compounds. GUC hosted the biggest students' competition of the year presented by L'Oréal that provided a brandstorm virtual info session. Winners will have the opportunity to travel to Paris to make their idea come to real with L'Oréal and get hired. GUCians made it before to the global finale and won the second place globally.